this is an illustration of what advanced analytics and prescriptive analytics is doing. On the left side, we have inputs. We took 1 year of historical data. It was more than 500 different plant variables. You always get what you optimize for. And we do not want to just increase recovery for the purpose of recovery. We want to improve profit. That's why we want to consider these objectives, which are potentially competing together at the same time. Once we build predictive models, we discovered in this case that there is actually only 12 input parameters from the left-hand side that are influencing and explaining or predicting, if you want, the outputs. Once we get reliable predictive models, we can use them for prescriptions. We can reverse engineer predictive models, implement them if you want for daily operations. So on the right, you see a schematic of our circuit. So we are interested in KPIs in the recovery that we have at the end of the flotation circuit. At any point in time, in this case, 3 hours, we set the current values from the upcoming batch. So this would be feed rate, float feed, grade, and the 10 parameters. The model at each point in time takes the values of the planned 12 parameters, and I know that I cannot change the feed grade, I cannot change the throughput rate anymore, it happens before the flotation circuit, but I can in principle go and change the flotation set points. So first of all, the model immediately gives us a prediction of the expected recovery that we will get and recovery variability in 3 hours from now at the end of the flotation. This is the first insight, an instant prediction of the result. And the second point is that it gives us the recommendation of how to change the parameters, flotation parameters, to get an improvement, an estimation for this improvement. So later on in what we can do, just if we scroll a little bit down, we see that for each moment, so each 2-hour interval when I make these predictions, we can also estimate what was the expected recovery and what is the improved recovery through dynamic changing of flotation set points. So this is a little bit how, explains you how the virtual expert operates. For technology engineers, if you scroll even down, if you want to see this information probably would not be interesting to the operators, you can also explore. So the underlying model is not a black box. You can see in real time how would it operate and what would happen if you change any of the input parameters, so as sliders, and what would be the expected impact.